Alright guys, so let's take a look at, so today is 3rd of October 2021. So first of all, we go for the 4 hours time frame BTC Binance, and you can see that this is clearly a supply zone where we discover a very strong resistance right there. And yeah, look at the 1 hour time frame, that it form a sort of double top. Let us look at the RSI. Although the price is going higher, it's not technically higher. It's not a very good divergence. Let's look at this awesome oscillator. So yeah, so look at this one. In 1 hour time frame, we are reaching a high price right there, but the price is going up. However, the volume is going down. So, and also we are forming a drop base drop. Let's look at the 50 time frames. So clearly you can see here, drop base drop, and this is a demand zone where you can see that if you look at a 1 hour time frame, that it formed a, what is it called, rally base rally. Okay, so this is a demand area, and now it reaches here. Since I told you that this is drop base drop, right? So this is our base, and once the price, it got rejected by the demand zone, and once it go back up to the base, it will continue to drop. So it will be something like this. Okay, this is not a good one. It's like something like that. And we have another demand zone right here because of this. It's called rally base rally. Okay, so if these really drop, I mean, like it drop below this demand zone, then it will reach here. I don't think it will reach here now. Obviously we're probably just gonna touch here, and we can look at the favour as well. Thank you, thank you, fucking thank you, next, thank you. Most probably it will reach here first. Nothing. And then it will reach here. If it drop this if it's past this demand zone, then it will definitely go there. She taught me patience. Yay. Alright, we have multiple rally for this one. Okay, thank you, thank you, next. I'm so fucking grateful all night. Thank you, next. This is this zone. What is this zone? This one as well. That drama. This is demand. Got so much patience. Okay, we can see kind of. Okay, let me just look at this. Hopefully you can see this divergence right now because the price from here going up and is dropping. So this is definitely a very good short. And now what does it from? Okay, so it's forming this. Retest the supply zone. Thank you next. Thank you next. Thank you next. Hey. Thank you next. Thank you next. Thank you next. This is rally base rally, just like this one. Rally base rally, and this is the base. Base represent a demand zone for rally base rally. If it's drop, base drop, represent that this is the supply zone. Why do I say this is supply zone? You can see that this one, when it drops from here, retest back to the supply zone. Fell, drop. So there are 3 points for ETH. AO1, AO divergence, supply zone retest from drop base drop. Baby, I need to know what's your size. Yeah. Whoa. This one is not this one, just here. This is unfresh already. This one. Why? Because this one a huge candle, 3 candle in one. Base is like I think it's like 3 candles. Anyways, it's like a bearish uncovering candle. Yeah. Oh. Baby, I need to know. Oh, that is definitely uncovering because this candle, you can see that it's super small. What is this called? Doji? I think it's called Toji. Yeah, this one, see? This one. And as long as this bearish candle is bigger than this bullish candle, this is base. It's still fresh because it's first time it reaches this area, so this is a very good supply zone. Yeah. Machika kata kiki. Pen attack. Oh. I heard from that thing is a 10 out of 10. Choke me, bite me. There's no divergence for this one. Yeah, maybe if you look at the 1 hour, yeah, it has like something like that. Yeah. Whoa. Baby, I need to know. First TB.